ceiling. I don't want a room, I be trying to buy the whole damn building. What up? When it come down to it and you send it through, I'ma hit you back like nah, nah, nah. When you slept on me, now you ask for the handout, I'ma hit you back like nah, nah, nah. When you talk about business, you ain't talking about millions, I'ma hit you back like nah, nah, nah. When you wanna be a part of my life, tryna stay tonight, I'ma hit you back like nah, nah, nah.
Hey guys, how you going? So today on BKRsport, we are here at not ANZ Stadium, we are here at Stadium Australia. They have changed it, looks weird, usually it looks bloody awesome with the blue lights. But guys, today we are going to be here for a massive NRL game, South Sydney Rabbitohs and the Sydney Roosters. Now this is such a big game because not only are these two teams doing well, but these two teams are the biggest rivals in the NRL. These two teams have gone back since 1908. Two teams have been playing each other for 113 years. Jeez, I got that on the spot. And it's just ridiculous how much these two teams dislike each other and the fact that these two teams are both incredibly quality right now. Obviously guys, you know me, I love to get to the games, whether it's my team or not. You guys know I am a Titans fan, but the thing is on this channel, when we go to a game, it usually is the home team that we support. And today guys, we are going to be getting behind the Rabbitohs and we are going to be cheering on the boys, but we do have somebody else here as well. It is this man, Mr. Entertain House. He is unfortunately getting behind the Roosters today. Gee whiz,
and
mate.
Victor Radley's not here.
And Victor Radley, look at this guy. Does he even know what he's doing right now? He's got a bloody Victor Radley shirt on. Victor Radley's not even damn well playing. Mate, my goodness, mate. My goodness, why'd you choose the Roosters?
Well, they've won against unconvincing teams, but their attack's been good. And I think in the regular season, it's weird because the Rabbitohs always seem to beat the Roosters. I've always been there the last couple of years.
Like last year when it was 60-8, right?
Yeah.
Got him. Yeah. Man, look, the Rabbitohs, obviously, they're coming into this game off of one loss and one win. They did well against the Storm in the second half in week 1, but they did lose in the second game. They did beat Manly. Now, I think Manly actually had a pretty decent performance considering, and I don't think they deserved to lose by 14. However, the Rabbitohs still won in the end. The Roosters, on the other hand, they've played the Tigers and Manly. Now look, those two teams are, well, one's getting flogged by the Dragons right now, the Manly Sea Eagles, and the other one is the Tigers, who are very unconvincing. You know, they're just not that great. And honestly, are they your wooden spoon favourites right now?
Probably. Manly's up there, but Manly just have too much quality to like about them than the Tigers.
That's why I tipped them to damn well.
Joey Leilua, he's dropped.
Oh, here we go. But guys, we're going to head in there. We're going to have a good damn well time. That's exactly what we do here on the channel. Like I said, we've been streaming a heap, but we do go to the games as well, and we do have a great time. And I'm telling you right now, it's going to be a ripper one. He's going to be vlogging as well. He's obviously going for the Roosters though in comparison, so gee whiz. But let's go in there, and main thing is, guys, live your passion. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something. Just do exactly what you need to do and live your life the way you want to, because you can do it. Don't let anybody say you can't do it. We're going to go in there, we're going to watch the greatest rivalry in rugby league, and let's get the Rabbits gone. Alrighty, the game is about to start. Obviously, I'm getting around the Rabbits, he's getting around the Toobs. Mate, what's your prediction? What is your actual score prediction for this game right now?
Well, I've said all week, I think the Roosters' defence will be top quality tonight. We've seen how good their attack is, so I think their defence will be on. So I think the Roosters will win by around. Will it be a 13?
You're outrageous, mate. You're outrageous.
Roosters by 10. In the heat of the moment, Roosters by 10.
Mate, you said 13 plus. Now you say 10. Soon it's going to be 6, and then the Rabbits are going to win. That's what's going to be bloody damn well happening.
I just think of all the Roosters at the moment. But the thing is, as you mentioned, like the fact that the teams haven't been great, that's worrying for me. And the Roosters bench isn't great. Gabriel Hargraves is good, but I'd argue that the Rabbitohs have the advantage of the bench. Their bench steps up, especially Benji.
I love how they've been playing. Like, they've actually played like 3 halves. They've Reynolds on the field, Walker on the field, and Benji on the field. It's actually worked out really well for them. Look at the first game against the Storm.
I think Tedesco, though, you can't go past his form at the moment. I think he's going to take control. He's sort of school.
Here comes Latrell, mate. Here comes Latrell. I'm going to take Rabbits. I'm going to take Rabbits by 4. We see the first 2-point field goal though. We'll see. I think we would have seen it last night when Leary was playing. I think we would. But come on, Rabbits. We go. Here come the Rabbits. Big boy to Sassy.
You won't be singing that at the end.
Come on, Rabbits. Here we go. What are they? The second tackle?
Reynolds.
Third tackle?
Oh, he's dropped it! Yeah! Double knock on.
Is that not gone? Too many teams are kicking off 4th. Why are they kicking off 4th?
Yeah.
I just don't get it.
Even earlier.
Oh, chance here. Oh, there could be. There could be something here. There could be something here. Cuts back on the inside. Good D though. Good D.
So fifth
All right,
last
that's a good chance here. Fifth tackle. Oh.
Decent meter game.
The Rabbits are monster in this opening 10 minutes.
Yeah, their defence is pretty good.
Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like this. Knocking him out. Oh, he stopped him. That was nice.
Good tackle.
I don't like this. Oh no.
Here we go. They're creating something
I don't like this.
through the middle with Liu. Setting up an opportunity.
I don't like this.
Going out to
Painful. Get him out. Yeah, it's good defense by the Rabbits.
Great defense. Rabbitohs defense.
Considering that was my biggest question mark over the coming of the season, their defense so far in this opening 10 minutes or so is thinking 15 minutes out. Here we go. Oh! Oh, third? What's that, third or fourth? Oh, he's going to stay out too. The defense of the Rabbitohs is mentioned, but that's third tackle, though. Why is he kicking out on third tackle?
Crazy, bro.
Since when did the Roosters kick on third, let alone anyone? The Roosters are in a lot of trouble right now. The Rabbitohs 10 metres out. My God, fresh at 6. I'm actually scared for the Roosters here.
Real good.
Obviously I'm a Titans fan, but I'm also scared for the Titans here. You know, that's the thing with these vlogs. It's like, I'm supporting the Rabbits, but you know, I'm also thinking about when my team plays them and I'm a bit nervous. Here we go. Oh, maybe could have done something there, but close to a high tackle. Is a high tackle, I think. Yep, that's the penalty. I'd be taking the 2. Oh, would you though? With the way they're dominating, I'll go for the try. This could be a sit-in. This could be a sit-in. Slaughtering them right now. Like they're going to score. They're going to score here, right? Here they go. Look at this. Look how much space they've got here. Oh, bro, look how much space he's got. Look how much space he's got. What are they doing?
I've shown nothing at all.
Oh my God. Oh, bro. Oh,
offload.
Oh, go! Yeah! Yeah! Call it quits, baby. Call it quits, baby. Wait, it's quiet. Half-time here, and it's 18-0 to the Rabbits. Mate, we've moved over from the Roosters side to the Rabbits side because it's getting a bit hectic over there. It's getting a bit intense over there, as you may have seen. Mate, what do you think of the first half? I think the Rabbits have absolutely slapped them.
Yeah, I think the Rabbits are definitely going to go on to win this one. The Roosters haven't got a point on the board yet, but they're too good of a team not to score. We've got to give raps to Campbell Graham and Cody Walker. Cody Walker's been brilliant. He hasn't been amazing the first 2 rounds, but against a quality team like the Roosters, he's really stepped up tonight.
I tell you what, man, it's crazy for me, right? The Roosters, they scored like 50, 40 points in 2 games in a row. Now, I know it's against bloody shithouse teams in Manly and the Tigers, but they still scored 40, 50 points against the teams that are first-grade netball teams, right? Rabbitohs, my biggest question mark around them coming in this year was their defense. And now, look at this, their defense is fantastic. I just find it crazy. I think the Rabbits go on with this one, and I honestly don't know if the Roosters score. I don't know. It's a big ball. It might be wrong, but I think the Rabbits go on and they go on well. No, Rabbits here, 2 metres out. If they score here, it's all over. They score, it's all over. Oh, yes! Yes! Slap them up, baby! Let go! Roosters, they're finally going to score. They're finally going to score. Come on, Roosters!
Teddy Magic, 24-4. Here's the comeback.
Well, there's no nil. There's no nil, but that's all right time. Tedesco too. Breaks away. Nice little breakaway there. Up top, good kick, very good kick. Oh no, terrible kick. Playing that great, the old Rabbitohs in the second half. Like they're going to win the game regardless. They just are, but it's just odd. It's just not. It's like the Roosters are coming out a bit stronger in the second half. But realistically, the Roosters only scored off Rabbitohs mistake. Oh, is he in there? Realistically, the Roosters only scored off a Rabbitohs mistake and scored literally off the knock-on. Like, not a tackle until later or a set later, they scored off the knock-on. So, you know, Roosters have scored, but have they really? But overall, yeah, the Rabbitohs haven't exactly been that great this second half. Not gonna lie, this second half is giving me a bit of the wobbles with the eyes. Yeah.
These ones?
Yeah, a little bit of the sleepy. It's not that great. Not that great footy from both teams. Yeah, the game's over. Rabbitohs just not looking the greatest. Roosters definitely not looking the greatest. Oh, here we go, Roosters. Inside, outside. Oh, he's away. He's actually away. Oh, he's stuck it down. Well,
Okay, little lamb.
wake us up, son. Wake us up. Oh, he's injured.
No, you got to score a try.
Wake us up, mate. You want to wake up, mate. So, the game's over, but if you bet on, like, people would be freaking out right now because you see the 13 plus Rabbits or 12 right now, and the Rabbits just did a short kick off for no apparent reason. Roosters. There we go. That's a pretty good kick, actually. Oh, that's going to be a try, Roosters. So, they could technically, if they kick it, they'd be down by 12. No. But technically, it's not as bad a result as you probably would have thought. But they've been slapped up. But it's not as bad a result now.
They've gotten lucky as well.
Well, no, that's a good try. The first try they got very, very lucky off a knock on. But like that's a good try. Oh! Obviously for me. Oh wait, Roosters. Oh, we're going to score. Oh, Roosters scored. The Roosters score after the siren. The game's over.
Everyone's multi.
That makes it 1-12. That makes it 1-12. If anyone bet on Rabbitohs 13 plus, they'd be screaming right now. But the Rabbitohs do win. They're probably going to win 26-16. Gee whiz. Yeah, end of the game. But the Rabbitohs just weren't that great in the second half. They were very good in the first half. Roosters weren't that great in the first half and just weren't great in the second half, but still managed to score 16 points, 14 points. So there you go. Remember when he said I wouldn't be singing it? Remember? Glory to South Sydney, South Sydney. No. I got the line. I draw the line right now. Sydney, glory to the Gold Coast. Glory to the Gold Coast, and the Titans marching on and on. Anyway, guys, that's going to do us for today's video. Hope you did enjoy. My goodness me. Where are you, buddy? Oh, you're over there. Gee whiz, what are you doing, son? Obviously, the game finishes, what, 26 to 16? Something like that. Rabbitohs with a good performance the first half. Not so much in the second half. What do you think of the game?
How close was I? I said 28-16 at half-time when all that rampage from the Rabbitohs was coming, and the second half they just couldn't capitalise it. There was definitely good sign. I didn't see enough of Benji, but he didn't get much game time, but I like what I saw from Rabbitohs tonight.
I don't know what Reynolds went off, so I don't know what happened to Reynolds. He could be out. I don't know if he's out or in, but the point of the matter is that the Rabbitohs look good, and I think that also shows the Roosters aren't as good as everyone was kind of making out after the first two rounds. They beat Manly, they beat the Tigers, but that's Manly and the damn well Tigers. Manly just lost to the Dragons, by a long way, and they just haven't won a game yet. So overall, the Roosters are a good team, but are you saying top four?
No, I think I had them in 5th originally. Originally I had them minor premiers, which is just outrageous. But that changed. I think I've got them around 5th. I still think they've got so much experience. Brett Morris, even tonight, just so good to watch.
Still scored late on. Guys, that is going to do us for today. Obviously, go and subscribe to Entertain House. What are you on now? What are you chasing? What's your number you're chasing?
Oh, we're close to 3K, so let's
get him to
3K.
Get him to 3K. We've been home, son. We've been home. Obviously, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you are new around here. I'm probably going to be streaming tonight for you guys. They're pretty good because I get to interact with you guys and talk during the game. Live, live your passion. That's the main thing. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. And go to Titans on Sunday, baby. But anyway, guys, we're going to do it for today. Appreciate you. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.